could be like Nip and Bug. Rode through my hood, Linwood Ave, 14K my neck, 3.5 my wood. Know my word is bond. Said I got you when that's understood. Finesse the wood. That's why they call me Lil Red Robin Jug. The product good. You know they coming back just like they fucking should. I wish you would. I kill you where you stand. Correction where you stood. Misunderstood, devilish nigga. But my intentions good. My heart so numb, can't get no more fucks. Sometimes I wish I could. But with you, this shit is kinda different. And I admit your love so pure, only the sky's the limit. Not in a rush, don't move so fast. I know that time.
I thought your uncle texted you. Go ahead. And I just looked at the weather and it says it's not supposed to rain no more today. Where bubbles go?
See, that right there is that bullshit.
So today is Tuesday, right? And it says it's going to be 70 degrees.
I'm supposed to be getting ready or something? My durag is not in the basement.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Keisha and Elijah. He eating his little chips. We just waiting right now. I got a drop off. Y'all want to see the box? It's so pretty in the cart. This is the box. Don't mind all the little dents and stuff because Bubba sat on it. But y'all, look at my nails. Yes, I finally got my nails done, and I got my toes to match. Oh, look at all that. It's so dirty. Y'all, look at my car. Look at all of this. Look at all of that. Like, look at that. Somebody. Yeah, my car. Honestly, though, when I got my car, it was clean, obviously, because it was a new car, but it wasn't clean. Like, it needed to be washed and vacuumed up a little bit more anyways. But and we just haven't done that yet. We wiped it down, but we ain't like deep clean it. Anyway, so yeah, we just waiting on her right now. And then I gotta go take my shoes back. My sister got me some shoes for my birthday, and they're too big, so I gotta take them back. And get my size. They so cute too, so definitely gonna do that. And then what else? I'm working on a couple things actually, y'all, and that's kind of why I've been recording. I got a lot of videos, like y'all know how I do. I always have a bunch of videos, and then eventually when I get the chance, I start editing all these videos and I start uploading them, and then when I get them all uploaded, I move on to whatever, you know, my next thing is, and I start working. Anyways, I'm always working on something. So right now I'm currently working on a couple things, which are, y'all, excuse my lashes. I hate these lashes. I do not like them, but I felt like maybe I just didn't put them on right the first time, but I just don't like them. They probably will look better on somebody else, but anyways, so when I say a couple things I was working on, one, I'm working on this big project. It's going to be, sorry, I got a notification. Anyways, I'm working on this big project, and I will be working with Courtney. I'll tag him. I'll put like a little post or something right here of him so y'all can know who he is. But it's going to be working together, and I just got the fabric, and it already took me long enough to just do that. But I want this piece to go like extra viral. Like I want to put my all into this piece that I want him to model for me. It'll be like representation. I don't know how to say the word. Representation for us colored people, our black kings and queens. I just want the whole vibe and energy of this photo shoot to be queens and kings and golden and, you know, like royalty kind of thing, because that's what we are, period. That's what we are. Our skin is literally gold, like that's just it. So anyways, and I just want to do a whole, like, it's gonna be crazy, y'all. So y'all will see that. So that's one of the things that I'm working on. And another thing I'm working on, I'm going to be doing this collection of stacked leggings, and also with that I will also be doing a small little collection of one-on-one stacked jeans. So y'all stay tuned for that. My Instagram for that, like where you can purchase the stuff at, and it is first come first serve. I don't hold nothing for nobody. So if you want to stay up to date with that, my YouTube, or my contact information and my Instagram page where you can find that stuff will be right here at Quali by Uni. What else, y'all? I'm just trying to keep y'all up to date. And then what was the other thing? Oh, I said 3 things already. Oh, is this her? This is my cousin behind me, I think. Okay, bye, y'all. Yay, y'all. So she got her order. I'm so happy. And she put in 3 orders, y'all. Y'all, I'm so excited. She put in 3 more orders, and then I think I got a couple other people that also want some stacked jeans. So she getting some stacked jeans, some stacked leggings, and some custom jeans. So y'all better get ready. Start putting them orders in. But okay, I'm gonna catch y'all later because I'm about to run to the store and try to take my shoes back. Wish me luck. Peace. Okay, so y'all, this is, I don't know where I'm at in these little vlogs because sometimes I be forgetting to pick up the camera and I just on the go. Anyways, so come on, Bubba. Look, let's tell them what we're about to do. I love you. Y'all, my face. It's like it's clearing up, but it's like, I love you. Dad. So we about to clean Bubba's room, okay? We gonna look. Everybody know. Anyways, about to teach Bubba's how to clean his room, and then his room is kind of small, so we gonna make it look. Huh? Love you. Okay, no. So, I'ma this is it. Bunch of stuff. Okay. Let's put all the toys in here. All your toys. Look, see? Look, these goes in here. Huh. Put it in there? No. That's not no car for you to get on. See? You put these in there. He's taking them out. Look, Bubba, we put them in. No, put them in here. Put them in here. Yeah, good job. Look. Get them from here and put them in here. There's more. Look. You gotta go get them. Wow. Wow. Good job. Yeah, good job, Bubba's here. Yeah, I'm about to organize this. I'm about to get my bedroom together because I want him to be able to come in here and play in his room without, So, yeah. Put it in there? Uh-oh. You want to get that? All right, well, we gonna come back. Okay, bye. Actually, I'm sure go. No, it's right here.
Day four with no dreads. We already in there. So because
4. Isn't it 4 days already?
I don't even think it's been done.
I don't think
so because my fucking swirl is right here, and you can like.
My bad.
They say you can train your hair to basically like you can retrain your hair to where your crown is not like where it's originally at, but